Sending team notifications about changes in Salesforce data via Slack, Chatter, and email. Notifying your team after doing an automatic data refresh to your spreadsheet and/or pushing data to Salesforce promotes transparency, collaboration, informed decision-making, and data quality. G-Connector offers an easy way to set up notifications that'll get sent to multiple users on a schedule. The notifications can be sent to both Salesforce users and to team members that do not have access to your Salesforce org. Let's start by clicking Launch from the G-Connector drop-down menu. This will open a sidebar with several options. To add a notification to your workbook, click on Schedule Automatic Data Operations from this sidebar menu. Then go to the Notifications tab. In this tab, you'll be able to add multiple notifications to email, Slack channels, or chatter groups. To create a notification, click on the Add button and provide the notification details in the subsequent dialog box. You can enter different email addresses and/or define the Slack channel or chatter group to notify. You can make the text in the notifications dynamic by grabbing it from a cell in your sheet. To do that, specify the address of the cell in double curly braces. There are also options in this section that will let you attach your document as a PDF file, an XLSX file, or include a link to the document, which needs to be shared with the people you'd like to see it. You can also set up conditions for each notification to be generated. To do that, click on the Conditions tab and define the correct parameters. To get the notifications going, click on the Scheduler tab and add a notifications action to the list of actions. This will ensure the notifications are sent at the time you specify. All notifications set up under the Notifications tab will be sent out at that time. Finally, click Apply to schedule the actions. For additional guidance on leveraging your Salesforce data in Google Sheets, explore our G-Connector tutorials.